Hi. Hi.
You guys, the spider died.
Probably
kill him now.
You guys probably don't know me, but I'm Nico's cousin, and I'm new to his channel. But I'm gonna be making videos with him because I begged him to be on his YouTube channel. But
For 16 years.
yeah, we're gonna be making part 1, part 2. I don't know what part we're gonna end at, but we're gonna do a final part. And these parts are about nature.
Smells like water.
We're gonna be going out there and we're gonna be doing nature stuff with my cousin. Okay, so let's go do nature stuff, Nico.
I cut a snail's foot off by accident. I found
Okay,
some nature stuff.
we're going to the nature.
I found something that's nature. Look. Look.
What?
Mom.